In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can heal here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your inventory in-game and find whatever healing item you want to use. Something like bandages or shields. Just make sure you place them in the quick use option over here, so that they are accessible in game. And when you are in game, essentially all you need to do if you're on PC is hold Q, or if you are on console, just go ahead and press L1 or LB, select the item that you want to heal with. In this case, obviously we would use something like bandages, and then you would just hit RT on console or your right trigger, or left click on PC, and you'll see your character start healing immediately. So just to recap real quick, you need to make sure that your healing items, whatever it might be, like bandages, for example, are in your quick use option right here. And then you just need to go ahead and hold the quick use button, which once again, on console, you're going to just, use L1 and LB to cycle through and choose whatever item you want to heal with. If you're on PC, hold Q and then just, hit right trigger or left click on PC and you'll be good to go and you'll start using it. But that is how you could heal here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.